Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Vibrate for Spaces notifications on the X app. If you've ever missed an important Spaces update because your phone was only showing a silent notification, this quick walkthrough will help you fix that in just a few steps. Let's get right into it. First, begin by going to your phone's settings. This is where we'll access all the options that control how individual apps behave on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every application installed on your phone, and it's where we can find the X app to adjust its notification settings. Now, locate and tap on X app. This will open the main settings page for the app itself, giving you more control over notifications, permissions, and other details. Once you're inside, look for and tap on Notifications. This is the area that decides exactly how your phone alerts you whenever something happens in X. From here, select Notification Categories. These categories break down different types of notifications within the app, such as messages, likes, or in this case, Spaces updates. Next, tap on Spaces. This is the specific category we want to adjust, since we're focusing on alerts for Spaces activity. Finally, toggle On Vibrate. Once this is enabled, your phone will vibrate to notify you whenever there's a new Spaces update or activity, ensuring you don't miss an important discussion again. And that's it. Super simple. By making this small change, you've added an extra layer of feedback for Spaces notifications, which is especially useful if you often keep your phone on silent or if you tend to overlook visual alerts. To recap quickly, go to Settings, then Apps, select X app, open Notifications, choose Notification Categories, tap Spaces, and toggle on Vibrate. With just these few steps, you now have a more reliable way to stay on top of the conversations happening in Spaces. Thanks for watching.